In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Squarespace. Let's face it, in our digital era, keeping our online accounts secure is paramount. That means regularly updating our passwords to fend off any unwelcome guests. Today, we tackle how to do just that on Squarespace, a leading web development platform. Whether you're safeguarding your personal blog or a business site, changing your password is a simple yet effective step towards enhancing your site's security. Firstly, let's navigate to Squarespace. You can do this by typing squarespace.com into your web browser's address bar. This will take you directly to their homepage, a gateway to all their services. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to log into your account. You'll see a login button prominently displayed. Click on this to proceed. This is your first step into accessing the back end of your site, where all the magic happens. Now, if you've linked your Squarespace account with Google, the process becomes even smoother. You'll see an option to continue with Google. Clicking on this will expedite your login process by using your Google credentials. It's all about making life easier, isn't it? After selecting continue with Google, your next step is to click on your account. You might have multiple Google accounts, so make sure to choose the one linked to your Squarespace account. This is crucial as logging in with the wrong account won't give you access to your Squarespace site. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with an overview of your Squarespace sites if you have more than one. Here, click on the website for which you wish to change the password. This will take you to the management dashboard specific to that site. Now you're ready to dive a bit deeper. Look for a link labeled Pages or navigate directly to https://parsnip-dragonfly-57dl.squarespace.com/config/ to access your site's page configuration settings. This section is where you can manage the content and structure of your website. Upon reaching the Pages section, you'll notice a gear icon next to the page settings. This icon represents the settings for each individual page on your site. However, since our focus today is on changing your password, you'll use this area as a stepping stone. Clicking the gear icon brings you to a new window with several options. But don't let this distract you. We're on a mission to update our password. To proceed, navigate through the settings until you locate the password option. This might be straightforward or require a bit of exploration, depending on any updates to the Squarespace interface since this video was recorded. Once you've found the option to update your password, go ahead and change it. Create a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to boost your security. Remember, this password guards not just your website's backend, but potentially sensitive information about you or your business. So choose wisely. After you've entered your new password, the final step is to save your changes. Look for a Save button, which is your key to locking in that new password. Click it with confidence, knowing you've taken a significant step in securing your digital presence on Squarespace. Congratulations! You've just updated your password on Squarespace. This might seem like a small step, but in the grand scheme of digital security, it's a giant leap. Regularly updating your passwords is a best practice that can help safeguard your online platforms from unauthorized access, ensuring your digital space remains exclusively yours. Remember, security is an ongoing journey, not a one-time task. Make a habit of changing your passwords regularly and using unique passwords for different sites. Consider using a password manager to keep track of them all without the headache. I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on managing your digital life with ease and security. Stay safe and happy web building.